Thank you so much, BlockDown 3.0, for giving me opportunity to talk about Anthelia blockchain and the related services. I am Shakil Muhammad. I am a founder of RNS Solution, eRosary, and Anthelia. Anthelia is the reason why I'm presenting on this conference. I have done MS and PhD from KAIS. I'm doing some other activities related to software development for different kind of projects, and have written some research paper and have some certification. Let's talk about RNS Solution. RNS Solution is a blockchain software development firm specifically, but we have other vertical, AI and cybersecurity. For AI, we are making some AI-based chat bots, and for trading bots, we are using AI powers, data science power, if you say in entirety. So we have also our design lab. We design some projects of front end and UI UX. We have around 30 plus developers, and we are based in 4 countries. Most of our developers are from Pakistan. That is my homeland, but currently I am in Korea. So we have 2 startups. One is called eRosary. eRosary is an e-commerce startup based in Pakistan with our own delivery system and delivery fleet based on motorbikes. And it is running since March 2020. It's a new startup and it's doing very good. I'm proud of it. And then we have Anthelia blockchain that we are working. It's a R&D project. We are working from March 2019 with my university's fellow. It's a constellation name and it is in the south side of toward the earth. And the meaning for Anthelia is a air pump. So our actually idea was to build aggregator, cross-chain aggregator for entirety of any DEX-based swap or DEX-based trading. And that was an idea back in March 2019. We saw crypto is going down back in early 2019. So we come up with this idea, why not to build an aggregator where everybody have fair chances, DEX-based aggregator, fair chances to do trading. So this is how we get involved with this Anthelia blockchain. It's interoperable and scalable blockchain, and the consensus engine is modified Tendermint. If you are not familiar with modified Tendermint, Tendermint is actually practical Byzantine fault tolerance based consensus engine, and we modified it and we call it rollover proof of stake, and basically they call it bonded proof of stake. So there is a little tweak on this consensus engine. Then we are also using interoperability, and we are also taking power from the IBC. We align with the vision of IBC protocol, but there are some also variation in our interoperability protocol. So when we are taking consensus engine from the Cosmos network, and then we are taking the power of IBC. So, but we are different from the Cosmos as it's an application specific blockchain, and Anthelia is a general public blockchain. And the virtual machine that we are bringing on top of this super consensus engine is a WebAssembly based virtual machine. And we aim to write templates, Oracle templates based on WebAssembly. So this rollover proof of stake, Cosmos network, and many other proof of stake networks are mostly very centralized. How we give them fair advantage to other validator or node or network participator to get some chance. So we come up with the idea of 10% rollover after 50 blocks or every 2 minutes to give chance to other network valid nodes or the validators. So that's how we come up with this rollover proof of stake. But it's not the only silver bullet that we have that we are going to go in the market, the main things are our objective is to bring more application, develop more application and roll on our services. So we are taking the power of IBC, as I earlier mentioned, and the smart contract that we are going to write for the oracles will be based on WebAssembly. So that's how we will be connecting to digital system through oracles that is written in WebAssembly, and we will be using IBC for connecting to different blockchain. If you see, we didn't make a global link to the blockchain, but make a local blockchain. That's how we share vision with the inter blockchain communication protocol, or IBC. So Multicoin Wallet, this is another our product. We are not rolling like a custodial wallet where we will be holding all of your asset. That's a good business model, but we don't believe on that kind of vision to own or take responsibility of the finances of individuals. So we come up with the non-custodian wallet where, but Multicoin Wallet. It will be web-based, and initially we are going to have Anacoin, that is native to Antlia, and the BNB. We have web-based wallet, and we have also mobile-based wallet, including the tooling related to these wallets. The tooling mean browser extension like MetaMask and the cold wallet tooling like a NanoLedger software. So we have already developed these tooling for our wallet. And then we also provide some extra feature for send and receive like a payment system through our wallet. And it will be Multicoin Wallet. Then we have a Multichain Explorer. Usually when I see Block Explorer, they are one kind of a Block Explorer, whether it's a Bitcoin, Ethereum, or the Cosmos, but not there is no concept for the Multichain Explorer. So we went through all the explorers and we come up with the new kind of explorer that is a Multichain Explorer. And instead of putting all the built-in feature, we also gave some customized query with the logical operator with and ors. You can choose some parameters and then you can do query. It's depend on which kind of blockchain you are using. Initially, we are giving 3 blockchain, Cosmos, Antlia, and Binance Smart Chain. And we are also rolling on mobile application for our Block Explorer. The backend is same, only there will be on front end, there will be portfolio management because it will be device-based data in SQLite. So we don't need the backend for portfolio management on our mobile application. So it can be replaced with any portfolio management application, as well as it can serve Block Explorer for multi-chains. And the same backend will be also connecting to our Multicoin Wallet as well. So then we have exchange. If we have multi-chain or Multicoin Wallet, so why not we provide the swaps? So we come up with the exchange idea. We have already developed this exchange from last year and selling to different companies as a white label solution, and we are also rolling on this exchange for our own product with the fiat pair, as well as for staking. And staking was one of the reason, because Antlia is a staking based blockchain for Antlia validator. So we are going to provide services, not only staking services to Antlia, but for the Cosmos. Definitely Binance Chain. Why I love Binance Chain, it's a good service out there. For our centralized exchange, we have secure wallets. We are not a variant of Binance, even we look and feel like Binance, but we are not a variant of Binance. We have DeFi apps, and why DeFi apps? We have DeFi apps because it's a hype there, and I'm presenting during the hype time, so that's why we have DeFi apps. No, for DeFi apps, we have idea as a DEX aggregator. For example, I have one coin. It is listed on one exchange, centralized or decentralized, another exchange, but there is no direct pair. I want to do direct pair. So we come up with customized order pair, uh, and we didn't get this idea right now because it's a DeFi based kind of uh, hype. So we come up with this idea from back in 2019. If you see here, shared order book from decentralized exchanges, on-chain consensus of order matching using IBC to swap token after order match. So this is not our idea. We come up right now because it's a hype. We have an idea back in 2019. So okay. So what is our tokenomics and what is our roadmap? Our tokenomic is very simple. We are going for 10% private. We have already our investor. For example, if we have 100 million, we didn't write our exact number not to confuse our investors. So that's why I just gave this number. So we have 10% private, 15% crowd sale, 10% for our team and advisor. And this 5% is very important. This is for our ecosystem, for our validator, incentivizing our validator to participate into our network. And 60% will be based on reward from the networks. And this is rollout of our tokens that if we start from the Q1 21 for launch of our chain as well as listing on the exchange, it will finish on Q4 2030. So what we have done, we are continuing our research and development. We have done some research and development. We are ready to publish our interoperability interoperability review paper. We have our blockchain developed. We have completed wallet and Explorer. We are working because we are providing multi-chain support. So we will say with the three blockchain, our 75% work is completed. For exchange, we have already finished. IBC integration, we did not complete it. This is a work that is going on, and the WASM-based virtual machine and the Oracle implementation is ongoing work. That is upcoming work. And the marketing kickstart, we are starting our marketing in November. We started back in February 2020. Unfortunately, because of Corona, we stopped for a bit. And now we are going to do more marketing and making our community. So our roadmap will be also out there. I don't need to just read out all of our products and the roadmap. Our light paper will be out there very soon. So let me introduce our development team. It's RNS Solution Labs. RNS Solution Labs, we have a couple of our clients, mostly related to blockchain community. And I will be leading this project as a CEO. And as usual, all RNS Solution team will be part of Anthlia blockchain for software development, for marketing. Dr. Mohammed Al-Karni, I believe from Trusted Chain, will be acting as the Chief Operating Officer. He is also Dean of Computer Science from Jeddah University. And his colleague, Dr. Mohammed Al-Khatiri, he is a Vice Dean of Jeddah University and working in Trusted Chain. He will be also joining as a Chief Information Officer at Anthria project. And Dr. Ali Kashif Bashir will be, as usually, leading our research verticals. So next, if you see RNS Solution, go to www.rnssol.com. You will find RNS Solution, or just Google RNS Solution. So we have some other vertical at RNS Solution. Those are Blockchain Olympiad. We organized university student at our Pakistan campus, and then we send out to participate at international venue. We have our own in-house academy to learn new technologies, new programming languages, and learn from each other. That is a rate, and we do usually very practical based learning on this academy. We have our startup that is called eRosary. As I earlier mentioned, it's a web progressive app, so it can be installed anywhere, any platform. It is online grocery store for B2C. It has also automated order book, that is B2B. For example, FMCG manufacturer can deliver your product to distributor or to the retailer through e-grocery platform. And we have our own apps. Those are published. We have active members based on Islamabad. We have our own delivery network based on riders, motorbikes, and we deliver within 3 hours. And our product quality and the prices are very competitive. And I'm proud of this startup. Let's talk about Anthlia. Our web page is a placeholder. New web page is coming. Hopefully, you will see a lot of information and the services there. And if you see our GitHub, it is very active. It is active since 2019. We have multiple repos. Some repos are very active, some are inactive from 2019, but you will see a lot of progress very soon. Many of our RNS Solution team members are there. So I request all validators in the Cosmos ecosystem and Solana and other ecosystem, please join RNS Solution hand, become partner with us, talk with us. We might, and for the blockchain, those are out there, please collaborate with us. We might add your blockchain for our Explorer or in our wallet. And for developer, if you want to participate for making your own app, we also help you. We refine your idea. We help you to find investment, especially through Binance ecosystem. We will refer you there and some other ecosystem, so you can get your own some sort of investment to run your own project. So for investors, those are looking to invest in our Anthlia blockchain, I will welcome them, especially private investment. For the public, we will announce. For US, we are looking only for accredited investor, and non-accredited investors are unfortunately not welcome. And looking forward to do collaboration, any sort of collaboration, the meaningful collaboration. You can contact us at contact@rnssoul.com. Thank you so much. Have a good, blessed day and have a good conference. So have a good day.